Welcome back in ArchX. In this video, I will show you how you can search in the content of the document instead of just on the titles. So in your ArchX environment, go to the document section, and then underneath the search box, you can flip the switch to search on file content, and then use any word you need, any name you need. Probably will be used for names when you send an email to a certain person, for example. And here I have Felix because I know that this letter is actually sent to a Felix address. But you can use this to easily filter all the emails that you send to Tom at your client's place, instead of just looking in the document titles only. So this is a very powerful extra tool that ArchX is offering. Good luck with this. And if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact support. Have a nice day. Bye.